Alright guys, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. I'm finally back with a video and I'm coming back with a collab. And of course the collab is with some of my ladies of Beauty Over 40. We have Brown Brows and we have Federica. We are doing our spring collaboration and also in collaboration with Federica. It's her birthday month, so we all want to wish you a happy birthday, you guys. Make sure you check them out and stay tuned for the video. Okay, so I started off with my Advanced Night Repair Serum. You guys already know I love that. After that, I threw on my lip oil, which you guys know I love that as well. Keeps my lips moisturized. And then I am just rubbing in my Advanced Night Repair Eye Matrix. This product is going to help with my fine lines and wrinkles, keep my skin plump, as you guys can see. And then I'm going in with my Revitalizing Supreme Moisturizer by Estee Lauder. This product is going to keep my skin hydrated throughout the day. It's also an anti-aging cell product, so it's going to help with any anti-aging concerns. And I'm going in with my No Problem Primer, which you guys know that's my favorite right now as well. And then I'm going in with the color 460 Tint Idole foundation, which I also love. I've been loving this foundation for a couple months now. A little bit goes a long way. I'm using one pump of that to spread amongst my entire face, and I am still using a sample of the Tint Idole Camo Concealer, which I'm loving this concealer. It gives me coverage and it moisturizes at the same time. Like, it's amazing. So you guys know I have my NYX gel depotted in my e.l.f. container, so I'm just taking that, filling in my brows, snatching those brows because my brows are sparse. So I'm just filling the brow in, and then after that, we will be cleaning them up. Okay, after I have filled that in, I'm going in with my Morphe foundation to clean my brows up. Yes, this product is so matte. You could actually use it for eyeshadow base, which a lot of times off camera I do that. But today I'm going to clean up my brows with that, and then I'm just going to spread that on my lid just to get rid of some of the discoloration. Okay, so after we have that spread it on our lid, we are just going to blend that in. I'm blend that in really good. Use that as one of my primers for my eyeshadows. And then I am going to jump back to my face. You guys, I'm listening to Mint Condition. When I listen to Mint Condition, I'm in I'm in a whole nother world. I absolutely love this band. Anybody that knows me knows I love Mint Condition and Stokely. So I'll leave my Twitter handle down below. Twitter name MintFan for Mint Condition. You guys can follow me on there and see some of the things that I do over there. I haven't been active for a while, but I'm now just starting to be active on there again. Okay, so I'm going in with my NYX powder. I'm just pressing that in. I will let that sit just for a little bit off camera, and then I will press that in with my brush. See, I'm just going in, you guys. I love it. Hey, I will leave the CD that I'm listening to down in the description bar. You guys, you don't have a lot of bands anymore, and I appreciate that they're a band and they just get it in. They do all their own music and instruments. You don't hear a lot of instruments anymore. Anyway, off topic. I get excited when it comes to Mint Condition. So I'm going in with my ColourPop No Filter Stick. The color is, I think it's 190, 197. I'm using it for my contour. I'm just blending that in and pressing it in at the same time. I'm going to overlap that contour color with my highlight. Okay, Lavinia, back to the video. Again, I get excited about that music. Okay, after that, I'm going to go in with my Next to Nothing powder by MAC, and I'm just pressing it in over my highlight just to blend it in some more, tone down some of that highlighting color, and then I'm just going to continue to press that in, get the coverage I want for that, And then after that, I am going to blend out my nose contour. I love using a cream for my nose contour. It just blends out really well. It's not too harsh. I feel like powders, when you use powders, they just don't blend out right for me. So especially over, you know, all of their products. So I feel like the cream blends out more. Yes, get it, girl. I'm just having a good old time. Okay, and then I am going to cut that contour. I don't always do this, but when I want just a nice sharp contour, then I'll follow up with this method here. So I'm letting that sit for a little bit, and then I'm going to blend that out. And then I'm going in with my Raisin Blush by MAC Cosmetics. And then I am going to highlight with my Tarte palette that I received in the BoxyCharm box. This is actually an eyeshadow palette, but you guys know I've been loving it for my highlight. And there we go with the P. Louise base. I'm just putting a little bit of that on, and I'm going to press it in. Blend that in to use for my eyeshadow base. And then I'm actually using a palette that is discontinued, but if you guys know any Morphe products, you can definitely find a palette that is colorful like this. I think this one was like a mini 12-piece Picasso eyeshadow palette. I don't know, but definitely hop on the website. I'll have their link down below with the foundation that I'm posting. You guys can definitely find something that is pretty similar to this palette I'm using. I'm just laying that down first, building my color up, just pressing it in. I'm trying to do that Instagram method where you lay down the darkest color first and then work up from that. It's a learning process when you've been taught otherwise. So now I'm just going in with that orange color. I'm going to lay that on top of that and overlap it just a little bit. All right, and then after that, I'm going in with the yellow, and I'm gonna lay that on top of the orange and overlap that a little bit as well. Like I said, it's taken me a little bit to get used to this method because you usually go from lightest to darkest. It really depends on what you're doing. So, and then I'm just going back with some more of that purple, building that color up some more, and then blending out the harsh lines in between the purple and the orange. And then I'm going in with my LA Girl neon liners. You guys, I've been loving these liners. These liners are amazing when you want just a little pop of color on a day-to-day basis, when you don't want to wear you know, a lot of eyeshadow, but you want a pop of color. These are perfect for that. Favorite, absolute favorite liner. Well, it's been my favorite liner for a minute now. So this is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I'm actually this one's getting a little low, so it's time to re-up on that. So I'm just winging it out just a little bit, as you can see here. All right, we're just taking our Urban Decay mascara. I can't think of the name. I'll have it down below. Coating my lashes, and then I'm going in with that orange underneath my lash line. Okay, and then I'm going to follow up with the purple just to darken it up a little bit, give it a little bit of dimension. And then after that, I'm going to jump back to my brows. I'm going in with my MAC brow set just to lighten my brows, make sure they're not too harsh. Then we're going to follow up with lashes. These are my AliExpress lashes. You guys saw these lashes on a live. I will leave that live down below so you can find those lashes. And we're just going to put those on, and I'm just blotting off my lip conditioner. Oop, can't forget about the glow on the Cupid's bow. Gotta have that. And then I am going in with my Kat Von D matte lippy. I can't think of the name. Anyway, it was in a BoxyCharm. I will find it and make sure I leave that down below. And then you guys know I absolutely love a ombre nude lippy. So I'm going in with the lightest color of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm putting that right in the center of my lips. And I'm just going to blend that out to perfection. Okay, and then I'm following up with the gloss from my BoxyCharm. That is the holographic lip gloss by Opal. I'll make sure I leave that link down below. And that's my look, guys. I'm going to do something to my hair. And here we go. Here we are. Thank you guys for joining me once again. Make sure you guys check out the other ladies. I will leave their information down below. Thank you guys once again for joining me. And remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.